You remember this? In the Ice Age? Now I saw it in person. I was amazed because I only see it in the movie, in the Ice Age. What is acorns? Acorns play an important role in a forest ecology. When oaks are the dominant species or are plentiful, the volume of the acorn crop may vary widely, creating a great abundance or great stress on the many animals dependent on acorns and the predators of those animals. Acorns, along with other nuts, are termed mass. Wildlife that consume acorns are an important part of their diets, include birds such as jays, pigeons, some ducks, and several species of woodpeckers. Small animals that feed on acorns include mice, squirrels, and several other rodents. Acorns have a large influence on small rodents in their habitats, as large acorns yield help rodent population to grow. Large mammals such as pigs, bears, and deer also consume large amount of acorns. They may constitute up to 25% of the diet of deer in the autumn. In Spain, Portugal, and the New Forest region of South England, pigs are still torn loose in the heaths. Large oak groves in the autumn to fill and fatten themselves on acorns. Heavy consumption of acorns can on the other hand be toxic to other animals that cannot detoxify their tannins, such as horses and cattle. The larvae of some moots and weevilles also live in young acorns, consuming the kernels as they develop. Acorns are attractive to animals because they are large and thus efficiently consumed or catch. Acorns are also rich in nutrients. Percentage vary from species to species, but all acorns contain large amount of protein, carbohydrates, and fats, as well as the minerals calcium, phosphorus, and potassium, and the vitamin niacin. Total food energy is in an acorn also varies by species, but all compare well with other wild foods and with other nuts. Acorns also contain bitter tannins, the amount varying with the species, since tannins, which are plant polyphenols, interfere with an animal's ability to metabolize protein. Creatures must adapt in different ways to use the nutritional value acorns contain. Animals may preferentially select acorns that contain fewer tannins. When the tannins are metabolized in cattle, the tannic acid produced can cause ulceration and kidney failure. Animals that catch acorns such as jay and squirrel may wait to consume some of these acorns until sufficient groundwater has percolated through them to leach out the tannins. Other animals buffer their acorn diet with other foods. Many insects, birds, and mammals metabolize tannins with fewer ill effects than the humans. Species of acorn that contain large amount of tannins are very bitter, astringent, and potentially irritating if eaten raw. This is particularly true of the acorns of American red oaks and English oaks. The acorns of white oaks, being much lower in tannins, are nutty in flavor. This characteristic is enhanced if the acorn are given a light roast before grinding. Tannins can be removed by soaking chopped acorn in several changes of water until the water no longer turns brown. Cold water leaching can take several days, but 3 to 4 changes of boiling water can leach the tannins in under an hour. Hot water leaching boiling cooks the starch of the acorn, which would otherwise act like a gluten in flour, helping it bind it to itself. For this reason, if the acorns will be used to make flour, the cold water leaching is preferred. Being rich in fat, acorn flour can spoil or molder easily and must be carefully stored. Acorns are also sometimes prepared as a massage oil. What are the uses of acorn? In some cultures, acorns once constituted a dietary staple, though they have largely been replaced by grains and are now typically considered a relatively unimportant food, except in some Native American and Korean communities. As food, acorns serve an important role in human history and were a source of food for many cultures around the world. For instance, the ancient Greek lower classes and the Japanese during the Jomon period would eat acorns, especially in times of famine. In ancient Iberia, they were staple food according to Strabo. Despite this history, acorns rarely form a large part of modern diets and are not currently cultivated on scale approaching that of many other nuts. However, if properly prepared by selecting high-quality specimens and leaching out the bitter tannins in water, acorn meal can be used in some recipes calling for green flowers in antiquity. Pliny the Elder noted that acorn flour could be used to make bread. Varieties of oak differ in the amount of tannin in their acorns. Varieties prepared by American Indians such as Quercus kelogi may be easier to prepare or more palatable. In Korea, an edible jelly named doterimok is made from acorns, and dotori guksu are Korean noodles made from the acorn flour or starch. In the 17th century, a juice extracted from acorns was administered to habitual drunkards to cure them of their condition or else to give them the strength to resist another bout of drinking. Acorns have frequently been used as a coffee substitute, particularly when coffee was unavailable. Acorns were a traditional food of many indigenous peoples of North America and served an especially important role for Californian Native Americans, where the ranges of several species of oaks overlap, increasing the reliability of the resource. Unlike many other plants, foods, acorns do not need to be eaten or processed right away, but may be stored for a long time, much as squirrel do. In years that oaks produce many acorns, Native Americans sometimes collected enough acorns to store for 2 years as insurance against poor acorn production years. After drying them in the sun to discourage mold and germination, women took acorns back to their villages and cast them in hollow trees or structures on poles to keep them safe from mice and squirrel. The stored acorns could then be used when needed, particularly during the winter when other resources were scarce. Those acorns that germinated in the fall were shelled and pulverized before those that germinate in spring. Because of their high fat content, stored acorns can become rancid. Molds may also grow on them. The lighting of ground fires killed the larvae of acorn moths and acorn beetles by burning them during their dormancy period in the soil. No predators here in Netherlands, so you can see a lot of acorns in the ground. I harvest few of acorns and here it is. I cleanse it with water. I'm curious about it and I want to do something about it. Maybe I will remove the tannins. Maybe I will eat. I don't know, but I try. And here it is, the acorn nuts. It looks like the hazelnut, but it is not.